How to speed up your WordPress site Ultimate 2023 guide. We have published a lot of WordPress speed optimization tutorials over the years with ways to optimize and speed up WordPress, but sometimes it can be confusing trying to find everything you need in one place. So today we have going to share with you everything we know that about it. Over 43% of the web is now powered by WordPress. While this is awesome, it also means there are thousands of different themes, plugins and technologies all having to coexist for the everyday WordPress user. This can quickly turn into a nightmare when their sites start to bottleneck and they don't know why or even when to start troubleshooting. In our precious guide on page speed, we went over a lot of the fundamentals of performance and how it can have a huge impact on the success of your business. But today we shall be diving into applicable steps you can take right now to see improvement on your own WordPress sites. We shall also share some resources that have been inavailable as WordPress sites type statics or dynamic. What is static or dynamic? Before we dive into the WordPress speed optimization, it's important first to understand that not all WordPress sites are the same. That is why lots of users have problem as you can't go about tackling every issue the same way. We always give WordPress sites a classification static or dynamic. So let's first explore the difference between these sites. Mostly static site. Static would typically include such as blogs, small business site, lower volumes news site, personal photography sites. By static we mean that the data on this WordPress site is not changing very often. Even most of our kinesthesia site would be considered a static website. This become incredibly important as many of the requests can be served directly from cache on the server. A lightning fast speed. Don't worry, we shall dive into the topic of caching in length of trouble further. High dynamic site. On the flip side, we have highly dynamic sites. These include sites such as e-commerce, community membership forms and learning management system. Dynamic we mean that the data of this WordPress site is frequently changing. This means that not all requests to serve can be served directly from cache and require additional server resources and database queries. These sites also typically have a large number of concurrent visitors and sessions. On an informational or corporate WordPress site, which is mostly static or visitor might may stay for over 10 minutes until they find what they need. Therefore, use this.